Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of deleting your account on the Calm app. Whether you no longer need the app or want to manage your subscriptions, knowing how to remove your account is important. We'll walk you through each part. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the profile icon. Next, look for the settings icon at the top left and tap on it to access your account options. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. In this section, you will see the option to delete your account. Click on Delete Account to start the process. You will be asked to confirm your choice, so click on Delete Account again when prompted. Finally, the app will ask for one last confirmation. Confirm your decision by tapping on Delete Account once more. After this, your Calm account will be permanently deleted, and you will no longer have access to any saved data or subscriptions associated with it. Thanks for watching.